Hello everyone, my name is Bhavya Valecha and this video is regarding final project of Code in Place. So let's begin the program. First of all, it gives us a welcome message and this program is related to statistics. So first it asks us to either calculate correlation or work on series. So let's see for correlation first. So it is asking how many numbers you want, just say 5 or 6, I'm gonna go with 6. It actually can take a million of number. There's no restriction here. So I've written all the numbers. Now the frequencies 8, 9, 4. I'm typing just randomly here. So it gives us the covariance, which is negative 2.083333, and it goes on. And the coefficient correlation is minus 0.0401. and it goes on. As you can see, the coefficient correlation is negative, so it is negatively correlated, and it's asking us whether to draw the scatter plot or not. Let's just try. Yes, so it draws the point which we have entered here. So now it's just asking us about how did you like what did you like about our work. So let's just say it was actually very short, just holding this, it was short. So it says it will work on it. Let's just exit this program. Let's now again try this one. Let's now work on series, and it's asking about individual series or discrete series. I'm going to go with individual series, so I'm just writing I. And yeah, it's asking us for the random numbers that you want to write. It should be written by the computer or you want to write it manually. So I'm going to go with computer now. Here. How many randoms number do you want? Let's just go with a big number. Let's say 35, and we enter, and it generates 35 random numbers and prints them. Now it gives the total of those random numbers, mean of those random number, median, mode, and the range. And yeah, it also calculates moments for us. It actually calculates only the first 4 moments. Let's just see. Yep, it is right. Movement here, first movement is 0, which is actually true. It is actually 0 in statistics. The first movement or the mean and the about any point is always 0. And again for the comment, okay, let's say it was nice. It is happy to hear that. So basically tell us about your work. Actually analyzes our comment on it and that gives the response accordingly. Actually here the emoji is printed, but this is not supporting it right here. Let's just go for discrete now. Let's try D. I'm just go with a small number here because I don't want to write a long program. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And the frequency 7, 3, 8. Okay, sorry, 9 and 7, 1. The total of frequencies is 27 and the mean is 14.6. Now it is asking us at which point we want to calculate moments. I'm just going to write 3. It gives the moment about any point, moment about the mean both. So it's asking me, do you want to scatter for this one too? I'm going to write yes here again. And here we go. It gives us the scatter plot. That's for the work. You can improve it. Yeah, but still happy to hear that it can be improved. So thank you, and I created this program in PyCharm using many libraries, NLTK sentiments for that tell us about our work, Matplot for scatterplot, Scrippy for some stats things which we're not able to do in the looping thing, NumPy NP for the discrete multiplying the two lists of the number, import random for the random series that is converted. So the main function is just this small and there's a whole coding behind it. I've tried to use less and less of library. For example, for the total number I've used for each element, for each loop, and for other things as well, for calculating average, mean, median, I've tried to use less and less of library of statistics and try to create my own function which I've learned in Code in Place. So yeah, it was really helpful. Thank you so much for teaching us Code in Place, teachers, section leaders.